Good day guys, how are you? Good? It's nice to know that you are good, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my first application using the Python language. In the previous update, I used the VBNet script to create the Flexure Rebar quantity calculator. Also, I created the form and layout first before creating the VBNet script. But today I am trying to create the application using the Python script. First, I need to install the Python application. Just download the application in their official website. Install the additional application by using the command prompt of our computer. Some script to be inputted in the CMD are pip install py132, pip install pycharm, and many more. Using the Python language, I created the application without physical form layout. It's just a script, but we need to indicate and state what we want to create. For example, the text boxes, we need to indicate in the script the name of the text boxes, its location, sizes, default text content, and many more. As a first-timer, every time I inputted the script, I always check the code if it is functional by running the application. By the way, I am using Visual Studio to run the Python script. You can download directly the Visual Studio community version from their official website for free. You can support me by joining our YouTube community group. Also, it's a big help for me if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. See you in our next tutorial video. Thank you and God bless.